In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create smooth text or captions animation effects. Start by adding a text to the control panel. Change the text color to red and white for better contrast and visibility. Then open Essential Graphics, right-click on the text and select Duplicate to create 2 copies. Then open the Effects panel, then search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop the effects between the 2 text layers. Open Effects control and set Blurriness to 100 to create a blurred shadow effect. Open the Effects panel and search for Linear Wipe. Drag and drop the effects onto the text layer in the timeline. Repeat this for 2 times. Ensure all effects are properly arranged in the timeline using the Essential Graphics panel. Go to the Effects control. Under Linear Wipe, enable the toggle animation for transition completion. Set the transition completion to 48% or adjust as needed. Increase feather to 500 for smooth fade effect. Then set transition completion to 100% at the first keyframe. Move a few frames forward and set transition completion to 0%. Adjust the wipe angle to -90 degrees to correct the wipe direction. For second linear wipe effect, enable the toggle animation for transition completion. Set the initial transition completion to 0%. Then adjust feather to 500 for smooth blending. Move a few frames forward and set transition completion to 100%. Similarly, repeat the same steps for the second text.